Sealing your driveway is a smart way to protect it from damage and keep it looking nice. A seal coat helps stop cracks, water, and sun damage, making your driveway last longer. There are simple and easy ways to seal coat a driveway effectively. To clear the driveway before seal coating, remove all vehicles, tools, and debris to create an empty, unobstructed surface. Use a broom or leaf blower to clean the driveway thoroughly by removing all loose dirt, leaves, and debris from the surface. This helps ensure that the seal coat will stick properly and last longer. A clean driveway is essential for a smooth and even application. After using the leaf blower to clear debris, use a roller to apply the seal coat evenly over the driveway surface. For a deeper clean, use a pressure washer or a hose with a strong spray to remove dust, oil, and stubborn stains from the driveway. This thorough washing helps eliminate dirt and grime that can stop the sealer from sticking properly. Ensuring the surface is completely clean is key for a successful seal coat. After washing, allow the driveway to dry completely because applying sealer on a wet surface will prevent proper adhesion and cause problems. Fill any cracks or holes with a quality crack filler or patching compound made for asphalt or concrete driveways. Follow the instructions on the product, usually involving cleaning the crack, applying filler, and letting it dry. Repairing cracks before sealing helps prevent them from getting worse. After pouring the black seal coat onto the driveway, use a squeegee to spread it evenly across the surface. Work in smooth, consistent strokes to cover all areas. This helps create a uniform layer for effective protection. Any remaining sealer should be poured back into the bucket to avoid waste and keep it clean. First, start by pouring a manageable amount of black sealer near the driveway edge. Do not pour too much at once to avoid waste and uneven spreading. Use a squeegee or brush to spread the sealer evenly over the surface. Work in small sections, moving in long, smooth strokes. Overlap each stroke slightly to avoid missed spots. Apply a thin, even layer. Too thick can cause cracking or peeling later. Then, leave the driveway to dry. Soon you will see it looking clean, fresh, and shiny. Using Black Jack Driveway Sealer offers several benefits for sealing a driveway effectively. First, mix the sealer thoroughly with a spoon to ensure even consistency and proper application during sealing. Then, apply the sealer to the driveway and spread it evenly using a brush for smooth, consistent coverage. So, by applying these effective methods and products, you can seal coat a driveway effectively.